I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is an answer to the question of whether you can use a paper towel with your Swiffer Wetjet. And a lot of people love to use a wet paper towel with their traditional Swiffer to save money versus using the cleaning pads. Because on the traditional Swiffer, you've got these little almost like grippers that you can basically put the paper towel down and kind of fold it around and stick it into the grippers and holds it in place. Wet it, works great to clean your floor. With the Swiffer Wetjet, unfortunately, it doesn't work that well to use paper towels. I'm going to show you why. There's no grippers on the Swiffer Wetjet. Instead, it's just got kind of like these little fasteners on the back here, almost like Velcro. And that's designed to connect directly to a Wetjet pad. However, unlike with the traditional Swiffer, since it's not physically holding the pad in place with those little parts where you sort of press it in, it doesn't work great on a paper towel. It really doesn't grip it well enough. So here's a paper towel on the floor. I can stick it on there. It seems like it should be, moving with the Swiffer, but as soon as that paper towel gets wet, here I'm going to do this on my floor, you can see it's just going to slide straight off. And it just does not have the ability to grip onto it really effectively. So, as soon as it hits that liquid part, it just comes right off. So great hack for your traditional Swiffer, where it can hold it physically in place, but not so great for your Wetjet because there's nothing to physically hold that paper towel onto the pad holder on this Wetjet.